So,
Lubat na.
the dishwasher and the cook,
The pressure cooker.
the chef. Hi, wait. Hi, the chef, the dishwasher, the assistant, and tamang tambay lang. Yeah, the borders.
Kani.
Hi, Zach. Hi.
Hello,
English.
I'm Zach.
Yeah.
We're on a mountain because
And I don't know. You don't know. What are you going to do today?
just gonna chill out of the mountain because I'm so stressed.
You're so stressed.
Yeah,
What keeps you stressed?
of school.
Of school. Oh my goodness.
Still want to stay here because school is so boring.
Okay. Casey.
Ya, andam terus kau, upaman.
Casey.
Matong
Achi Jaxi. Hi. Casey. Hi.
Asa
And
naman yung kutikwa ng tubig dire?
pitsin, wala tay pitsin.
Toy, pwede ko maniyog toy. Wag pa niyog toy. Cellphone toy.
Ay mga gamit na ko man.
Ay pa ko blind lang. Sige lang, okay na. Iyaan na lang kanon. Ay maniyog ko toy.
Tira. Ngay kilo.
so guys, kung kinsa may makakita sa akong vlog, madanani ang asawa ni Ponce.
Huy. Dismiss.
So, sa mga chicks nila ni Ponce, kabalo na mo.
Ay na magasa guys, kay may na mag-aari na ng puso.
May naala sa tansa ta ibalik unsa to Ponce.
Wala na kayong pag-asa guys kasi may may ari na ng puso ko.
Oh, sural!